Good evening, students. Welcome to AD Online Tutorials. Today we are going to publish chapter 1 for class 9, that is matter. Okay. Let me bring the duster. So let us start. What is matter? Matter का मतलब क्या है? Matter is anything that occupies space and has mass. It's called matter. Matter, chapter 1, matter. Class 9 का है. तो what is matter? Definition क्या होगा? Anything that has mass and occupies space is called matter. Okay. Example: air and water, sand and sugar, hydrogen and oxygen, etc. Example: air and water. Okay. So just hold on a second. There is a lighting issue. Okay. Now it is resolved. Now classifications of matter. Early Indian philosophers classified it in the form of पांचवा तत्व, पंच तत्व. Okay, पंच तत्व. तो classification of matter. Early Indian philosopher classified matter into in the form of 5 elements known as पंच तत्व. Okay, clear this much? So I hope you all have understood this much. On the basis of physical state, matter is classified into, but in scientific form we do not classify into panch tattva, but we classify it into solid, liquid and gases. So on the basis of physical state, not chemical, on the basis of, second point, on the basis of physical state, matter is classified into solid, liquid and gases. Okay. Now on the basis of chemical composition, matter is classified as pure substance and mixtures. On the basis, तो physical state में क्या होता है? Solid, liquid and gases. तो on the basis of chemical क्या होगा? On the basis of chemical, matter is classified into or as pure substance or and mixtures. Okay, so on the basis of chemical substance or chemical composition or chemical state, matter is classified into two parts, that is pure substance and mixture. Now pure substances may be elements or compounds. While mixtures may be homogeneous and heterogeneous. This mixture may be homogeneous or heterogeneous. Mixtures may be homogeneous or heterogeneous mixtures. Okay, now let us start characteristics of matter, characteristics of particles of matter. Take a screenshot of this. Characteristic of particles of matter. Number 1, particles of matter have three characteristics. Particles of matter have three characteristics. Number 1, particles of matter have spaces between them. Okay, particles of matter have spaces between them. मतलब ये जो मैटर है, मैटर में क्या होता है, पार्टिकल्स के बीच there are spaces in between. Okay, these are known as particles of matter have space between them. Second, particles of matter are moving all the time. Second, particles of matter keep moving all the time. Number 3, particles of matter attract each other. So let us understand the second point. तो पार्टिकल्स, जो पार्टिकल्स होता है, पार्टिकल्स ऑफ मैटर है, ये मॉलिक्यूल है, ये दोनों क्या होता है, मूव करता रहता है. ओके, एंड द थर्ड पॉइंट, द पार्टिकल्स ऑफ मैटर कीप्स ऑन अट्रैक्टिंग ईच अदर. ये अगर पार्टिकल्स ऑफ मैटर हम इसको पकड़े तो ये क्या है, ये दूर दूर रहता है, ये डिस्टेंस ऑफ सेपरेशन है, दैट इज पार्टिकल्स ऑफ मैटर हैव स्पेस इन बिटवीन देम. तो आफ्टर स्पेस दे कीप ऑन मूविंग, दे इट कम्स हियर, it comes here, it comes there, it goes there, like this. Okay, and so particles of matter have keep moving all the time. Third point is matter, particles of matter attract each other. Okay, with this I think you all have understood this much. So with this I am signing off for today. Thank you very much and keep attending for more videos. Okay, thank you.